You guys, this thing smells so...
Welcome to S&M Cooking University! Hey guys, it's Sailor Moon. Welcome back to my channel. Is everybody in attendance? Class. Welcome to S&M University, where I teach you how to cook for your man, your husband, your future husband, your, partner. In this episode, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make Haitian Pikliz for your man, okay? Because y'all been bugging me. Y'all been really bugging me about this recipe video. Mind y'all, I already got a whole jar of the Pikliz, and this is the one I made for the how to cooking for my hungry husband, the Haitian fried snapper one. Okay, for those that watched it, y'all seen this is the one I made, and it's still a whole lot in there. And y'all, Pikliz last. Okay, just for you guys, I'm gonna be making a whole nother jar, but you can never have too much Pikliz in your house. Okay. So I'm excited. We're about to get straight into it, and we're gonna do it now. Okay. I have my blender. You're gonna need a blender. You're gonna need some Pikliz, but you don't need it. It's optional. I love to put ippies in my Pikliz. Everybody do not put ippies in their Pikliz, okay? I'm gonna repeat that. This is optional. This is what I do because I like it that way and my man like it that way. So this is how I'm gonna do it. And if you wanna do it like this, then go ahead. If y'all need a recipe, I already made a video of how to make the ippies. All right, so if you want to see that, the tutorial of it, it's already up. Y'all ready to cook? Let's cook.
Okay, so I got these vegetables sitting in water. I got green pepper, orange pepper. I normally use red, but I ran out. Lemon, lime, cabbage, carrots, and scotch, and habanero peppers. So, yeah.
Okay, first thing first, we're gonna wash these vegetables. And child, if you don't wash your vegetables, then I don't know, I can't trust you, sis. If you don't wanna wash them, you do you. But if you wanna pass this class, you gotta wash these vegetables. Because this is what you're gonna be consuming. You don't wanna be consuming dust and dirt and all that class and stuff, all right? So, we're gonna wash these vegetables, class. All right, they are washed. So now, class, we're gonna start shredding them. Class, are y'all paying attention? Okay, so before I shred the carrots, I like to peel the skin off, like grate it or whatever, however you say it. But I basically go like this because the outside skin tastes nasty and you don't want that in your Pikliz mixture, all right? And if you do, then you do you. But over here in this classroom, we don't do that. So you gotta scrape all that off. It's all grated and I'm gonna rinse it, all out. All right, so now it's time to grate it. Whew. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is a whole workout. Like, doing this is not for the weak. It's not. Whew. Okay, that was a lot of work. My hand is hurting, my wrist hurting. We're gonna get into the cabbage now. I'm telling y'all, that's work. I used all 4 of the carrots and this is how it looked, okay? Now we're gonna get into the cabbage. Okay, so this is the cabbage right here. I got a real cute little baby one because you do not need a big old cabbage. So don't go to the store trying to find the biggest cabbage you can find. It is not needed. This is just enough, okay? Let's shred the cabbage. Cabbage. Okay, now that was work. All right, now I gotta clean up all this mess I done made, and then we're gonna go to the next step. A paper roll hate to see me coming. Okay, so I'm gonna use some vinegar. This is a cup right here. I like a lot of Pikliz juice in my Pikliz, okay? I don't want no dry Pikliz. We're gonna add the peppers, and I just take the sticks off, and mind you, we already washed them, so yes. I cut some lemon. I'm gonna use some lemon juice. Some lime. They hate to see me coming. Now I'm gonna add some in, like this much. But you know what? Just a little bit more. And remember, this is all custom to your liking. Now, I'm gonna add some black pepper. Okay, this is some bouillon, chicken bouillon. I'm gonna put like this much in here. And then I'm gonna add some Sazon, y'all know. Some of this right here. Okay, I think that's good enough. Y'all see all the flavors? Do y'all see all the flavors in here? Okay. Okay, so this is the liquid. This is flavor. This is that good stuff right here. When the juice and the liquid look like this, that's how you know you're about to get some bomb Pikliz. It's gonna be fire, I'm telling you. Ooh, this thing is strong. This is some good stuff right here. And it smells so good too. Okay, time for the fun part. We're gonna put this thing, we're gonna pour it into the mixture. Oh, look at this Pikliz juice, y'all. Y'all see this? Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, wow. Now we're gonna add one more ingredient, which is some salt. We'll just put some salt, just like this, and this all you need. That's it, okay? That's it. Now I'm gonna use my glove because this stuff is strong. I don't need my hands smelling like Pikliz, okay? And I do not want to rub my eyes and get this strong stuff in there. So, do y'all see all the juice? Oh, you guys, this thing smells so good. I want to take a bite of it. The longer you let it sit, the better it's gonna taste, okay? If you put your hand like this and it's water over it like that, then that means you did a good job. But if you don't see no water or nothing, that means you didn't use enough. Because you want that thing to soak. You want it to submerge, okay? Okay, so we're gonna put everything in here. And I know y'all got an empty jar laying around somewhere in the house. Let's pour everything in here. First, I'm gonna pour all the juice in. Okay, this is the Pikliz right here. Ooh, do y'all see how juicy it look? Do y'all see how good it look? Do y'all see the colors? This is how you make some Haitian Pikliz for your man. You gotta let it marinate. You gotta let it sit for like 24 hours, a couple of days, even better. The longer, the better, okay? The better the result, the better the taste, the better the flavor. So we're gonna see how this thing tastes. It smells so strong, y'all. It smells strong. Woo! It is hot, but it is so damn good. Go make this for your man. He gonna love this girl, and he gonna love you. All right, this is the end of class, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, make sure you like, and you comment. Happy dance, hey, happy dance.